Now this lesson will give us an introduction to percentages. Now the word percent means per hundred, or otherwise it means out of 100. So often a score out of 100 or an amount out of 100. Let's look at a diagram. This whole, let's split it up into 100 parts. Let's shade in an amount. So how much will we shade in? It looks like a half, doesn't it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pieces are shaded in. So 50 out of 100. And 50 out of 100, that's the fraction, it equals 50%. Okay, that's the percentage. Now, what percentage have we shaded in here? Well, again, let's start counting. There's 10 there, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 4 more makes 74. So that's 74 out of 100. So that's the fraction, 74 over 100 equals 74%. Okay, we've only shaded a little bit here. How many pieces? There's just 8 if we count them up. So 8 out of 100, and 8 over 100, the fraction, is equal to 8%. Okay, everything has been shaded in here. It's a whole lot. So it's 100 pieces out of 100. 100 out of 100 is equal to 100%. So we can say that 100% is one whole. Examples. We're asked to write these as percentages. The first one, 80 over 100. Well, 80 over 100 is simply 80%. The next one, 93 over 100. Again, it's already over 100, so 93 over 100 is equal to 93%. Now this one's a little bit different, 7 over 10. Now we would like it to be over 100, so 7 over 10, we need it to be over 100. So how are we going to do that? Well, that bottom number, the denominator, is 10. To turn it into 100, we multiply by 10. And if we multiply the bottom by 10, we do so to the top as well. So on the top, the numerator, 7 times 10 becomes 70. So now 70 over 100 is equal to 70%. The next one, 42 over 50. Again, it's not over 100 yet, is it? So we need to put it over 100. So we've changed that 50 to 100 by multiplying by 2. If we times the bottom by 2, let's times the top by 2 as well. So 42 times 2 is equal to 84. Okay, so the fraction now stands as 84 over 100, and that equals 84%. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.